Has cold marketing stripped the swagger you once carried as a leader? Sending DMs with emojis? Begging for coffee? This isn't leadership. Rooms stay empty. Calendars stay open. Referrals become the only plan. The cold market has you showing up like Robin, but leaders respond to Batman. Leaders don't chase attention. They lead the conversation. Executives respond to leadership, not noise. So lead the room, command the dialogue, and watch the market start coming to you. Even Batman has Robin. You lead, we handle the rest. That signal, that's Batman. Elite advisors don't chase clients, they attract them. QCL. You be Batman. We'll handle the rest.